Gotta check my mic. Okay, it's on. Let me just double check anyway. I don't see a fair value gap yet, except for that one on top. Mic check. Mic check. All right. I'm looking for a buy. Looking for a buy. But it's got to break above this, and then it won't be too much because I don't know if it wants to continue higher or what. But if it starts going above this, I'm comfortable getting in a buy here. All right, I'm getting in.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Where I'm going, I am not sure. Maybe 797 just to be safe. But this can easily start going. I don't know. I don't know because of the scale. Fuck it. I'll go up a little higher. Let's see where the 5-minute cloud is. All right, we're going above the cloud now. Why the fuck am I, thanks for the follow. I might have to restart. It just gave me a warning for some reason. Because TikTok loves to do that to me. I would say safe bet here. 814s. Safe bet. So this is the first resistance right here. Might want to come back and retouch real quick. I'm okay with it. name was Kiki. Brooklyn, I'm just gonna restart it really quick because it flagged me, okay? Be right back. It won't push my algorithm out. I don't know why, but be right back.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Kind of break above this 813s. Look at the 5. The problem is that it needs to get over this. And then it still needs to blast through to get to the higher one. It's still, you see how it keeps pulling back and then bouncing? That's good. That's good. Just, we needed to close above this, the top of this red cloud in the 5 minute. But it feels like it wants to go up. Even if it comes down a little bit, it's okay. We'll have to see. Profit. If you guys don't mind, tap the screen like 3 times. Give me some hearts. Let's go. This is gonna... I think we're good for A13s. I don't know. We definitely cleared that bottom. See how we got this double bottom here? We should be good. Because we went above this, we should be good. Problem is where are we going to take our profit? I don't want to go too high because I don't know where the fuck it's gonna be. Where you wanna be if you work hard at it. Still waiting for this bounce. It's fucking fighting for sure, though. You might want to come back and touch this. I think I'm right, but I don't know if it wants to dance first. I don't know if it wants to dance. I mean, I can pull out my magic weapons if you guys want. Pull it. Pull it. Pull. Oh, I didn't see it. Brooklyn. Fucking good job, bro. Just passed my funded today. Awesome. What prop firm you using? $21,840. Yeah, I know. I'm thinking that too. And then obviously you have up here too, so I'm like, we'll get out 2, and then we can let the other 2 ride. But I kind of agree too. It needs to go up there and get some of this liquidity and then come back down. But I don't know if it's just a minor pullback or what. Trade X Mastery? What the hell is that one? Where you live? What country? JJ, that's what's up. Awesome, bro. Belgium. Yeah, Belgium's got some tricky... I wouldn't say tricky, but their rules on their prop firms are a lot different. So, it throws me off. Yeah, gold was popping. Did you trade that today or last night, gold? I know gold and oil were really good last night. Very good, man. See? You kept some patience and traded your way out. I'm in a buy right now. Right here at 786. We're going to see if it pops through. We have 2 areas of resistance here, these yellows. So, got to get through them first. And I don't know where the fuck it's going, to be honest with you. Let's look at the 15. We might have to look a little bit different. $870s if it wants to continue. Or thanks for the follow. Smiley face. Thanks for the smile. I said thanks for the smile. Thanks for the follow and the smile. Yeah, I don't know. We have a lot of different spots here. It's throwing me off. And also, you know, what happens if it's not and it wants to just continue lower? Like this. As long as it doesn't take out this bottom. But even if it does, then I'm like, then it can just come down here and rip back up. Just trade small. You gotta trade small, that's all. Ooh, see, I didn't like the way this broke through like that. But this is the triple bottom. What happens if it wants the megaphone? This is real trickery shit right here. But maybe it was just another liquidity grab. Now we're gonna go up. JJ, you probably just need to size down a little bit. That's the only issue that I see that you're doing. You're gonna be wrong. You're gonna be wrong sometimes. I need this to rip up. I don't. I mean, we got 1, 2, 3 lows in a row broken. Maybe something like that. I don't know. Getting thrown off here. Getting thrown off here. We got to concentrate, concentrate. Let's go. Get your hot dog. Let's go. Yeah, unless I'm from there, you don't know. But if everybody's using it, then Merabi's good. I'm sure it doesn't accept US. Fuck, guys. Looked so good, too. Needs to break back above this. I'm hoping this liquidity grab is just going up. Something's off. I don't know what it is. Could it just be that I'm wrong? I don't want to be wrong. Because technically, this still didn't hit down here, the 688s. Took a really long time. This looked perfect for the bounce to go up. It rejected though. Rejection. It needs to bounce here or die. That's what it seems like. I mean, we're really oversold too. Just trying to calculate in my brain, guys. I'm sorry if I'm a little quiet. I'm missing something and I need to figure it out. Something ain't right here. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm thinking short. It could be. Could be. Because of this downfall. Didn't fill? Could want to touch here. There's also a lot right here too. Could have just fucked up. That's all. But it looked very good. You know, it broke this low that took a long time. I mean, it didn't take that long, too. Maybe I should have looked at that better. We're at the 1 point. We're way past 1.6. Next stop is 2.618. Yeah, you could be right. Let's see. Let's see. I can hold it, but I just hate holding it through that much drawdown. It's rejecting pretty good here. I feel like I'm right. I feel like I am right. Maybe too soon. We shall see. I think we're gonna be good. I didn't know that either, bro. I never heard of TradeX Mastery. Dang, you're trading 15 seconds, bro? You wild. Ooh, there it goes. There's that sweep. Oh, the two phases? Yeah, I mean, they're cool, but like sometimes it's just like, here's that fucking sweep. Here's the sweep. Sucks because I was up 1,000, bro. I think we're okay. I need to go up, Powers. Up. I think I was wrong on my entry. I got in on this. I should have gotten out. I should have gotten out at the smaller 61% retracement, and I didn't. It was right here. And I moved 2 of my fucking losses up higher for the bigger one. So now it's going to be offset, period. It looks like it wants to fucking crack down more, guys. Does. Fine, fucked. As soon as I get into this, it's gonna rip up. I fucked up. I fucked up. We're at the 61 right now as we speak. I have to concentrate. Because if it can't hold this, then I'm fucked. And it's the first short signal, so we don't take the first one, only the second one. Especially after the gray candles. Nice. Ah, bastard, nice. Yeah, I fucked up, guys. I fucked up. 5 minute. Look how fucking... I was so close to making mad money right here, too. I'm a dummy. I'm a dummy. But we're at the 61 right now. The sweep was on my entry from my fib. Yeah, I agree. I think I just was seeing a smaller move. My smaller move was right, but also needed to take a smaller profit. Now this is the larger one. I don't want to put in too many contracts. No, not really, in my opinion, though. It needs to break a low, but it doesn't need to be the sweep yet. It could just be it's collecting, and then that was a 61% pullback, so now it might want to pull back up and then come down and sweep. Come to the unicorns. Damn, I'm on fucking pizza today. Shit. Yeah. Right now it's more like it's just kind of grinding down. We have to see. It really threw me off here. You see how it did break this sweep, and then it finally broke this low, high, low, whatever the fuck you want to call it, and then with this fair value gap, and the cloud turned green, and it retested it, and went up. It just didn't hold. So we were in good amount of profit here. And then it just cracked on us. I should have seen this. This was the pullback from here to here. So if you go from this high to this low, right at the 61% is where we were looking to take profit. I didn't. I moved it up a little bit, and now I am waiting. Ah, you made it. Nice. Now we're going to see if this was the actual bottom. We have another one right here that needs to close above. If it doesn't, then we're probably going to sink, and I got to think about my life choices. Oh yeah, I see your 520 area. JJ. But it needs to resist here. This is probably like the line in the sand here. Let's see. I should have checked the news too. Maybe I fucked up. Oh, now I know why, guys. You ready? Explosions heard over. I can't even say it. Tel Aviv. Okay, I get it. I get it. Wow. Live feed of Israel military spokesman briefing cut short due to incoming Iranian attack on central Israel. We're gonna have to fucking blow them up now. Holy shit. Yeah, but that news isn't good. It's different news. Let's see. I mean, it's kind of teetering off now, so... Damn, I didn't see that news. Well, I guess that's it. We're fucking... That's war. We're going to war. We can end that war in 3 days if we hit them hard. Or they can make it a long war. Well, I hope it waits a little bit so we can get our crypto going first. I hate going against my signals. They say they have several bombs, several nukes. They have several big boys. That's why Iran, Israel was doing, I don't even know if it was warning shots or what, but they tried to blow them up for some reason last night. I need this to break above this. If we could break above this, I'm going to feel better about this. I'm fucking nervous. I'm nervous! No, I don't know if they have that one. Oh, here it is. Fuck. I hate doing this. I might have to just accept it. I haven't been wrong all day. The one I go in a little bit too much. Fucking wrong. Story of trading, guys. Story of trading. Where's the 78%? I mean, we're in the golden pocket here. This is gonna fucking crack down. You motherfucker. You mother trucker. $21,673. All right, here's the line. Here's the last one. And this was that huge one before. I think the news is just too much right now. I don't know. Iran saying Israel started the strikes and initiated the war. They kind of fucking did. I would go heavy in the middle of war. Headlines, come on. Pop up. The problem is that it can come all the way down here, the 618s. I can't hold it down there. I was hoping for a little bit of a pop, but we might have to accept our fate here. Problem is, if it doesn't hold here, it's gonna go probably to 21,617. That's down here. It's a lot to hold it through. And let's do the Fibonacci extension. I'm just trying to make sure if I'm closing, I'm not closing it like right on one of these. Wow, this is insane. Insane. Almost 100 points. No good, man. So that's why it's all fucked up. Oh my god. Bro, they're still launching. Iran's hitting hard right now on the news. held way too long. Ah! Yeah, I know. There's so many patterns saying it's going up, dude, but the problem is that it doesn't care if there's missiles firing over and over again overseas. That's what's going on. I mean, I got room to hold it. I fucking hate the gamble aspect on something like this. It's got to sweep this low. Sweeps this low, we can look for the long again. It wants the lows. It wants the lows. $624 you're looking at? Yeah, that's where it looks like it's gonna be a nice spot. I hate when I don't want to look like I'm gambling here, but I feel like I am. I mean, it looks like 617s. It needs to break below that. Fucking deleting you. Come to unicorn. I don't see anything. This is the only thing that's down here. Maybe the 5-minute or something. Nada. That's why it makes you feel like it's gonna break through. You mother trucker. Dude, I was up a lot of money today. Watch it disappear on me in about 10 minutes. Shitty money management. Learn from me today. Don't let your shit go down that far. Alright, let's break this low. Come on, you fucker. The only problem I see if it does break the low, I don't see any fair value gaps here. So no good again. I'm trading MNQ. MNQ. Yeah. You can join my Discord and start with the beginner section. Takes time, buddy. Takes time, though. Alright, so we broke that low. Damn, another fucking short, guys. Okay, we broke that low. Thanks for the follow, JT. Yeah, just hang around a bit. Learn as you go. You're going to be confused for a while. But just try to look up the basics. If you join my Discord, there's a no beginners section. It's about 9 videos of random people on YouTube just to get your basics down, and then I can fill in the gaps. Oh my god. Iranian senior officials, our revenge has just started. They will pay a high price for killing our commanders, scientists, and people. I would fucking buy into the wrong time, guys. Shit. We broke this low, so let's see. We might have to go to a higher time frame here to see what's a good low. That sucks because that's pretty deep down. A lot of bunch up here too. Timing this bottom is going to be hard too, but dude, if you can time this right, you're going to make a lot of money right here. Because this can easily come down, back up. A lot. I'm going to assume, let's see, let's look at this one. So, break of the low, first fair value gap that I see. Oh, wait, did I? Oh, no. I don't even see one here. It's a little dangerous to do. Whatever, we're in. Wish I had a fair value gap there, though. I fucked that one up. Fucking up a little bit here. This is the first one that we see only on the 5. One minute, I don't see anything yet. Come on, baby. Gotta be towards the bottom here. okay, so you have a little bit of background. That's cool. Options is really hard. I'm honest. I'm like probably one of the most honest traders on here. Maybe a little bit too honest. I fucking suck at options. I suck at options. I'm very good at picking the movement and which way it's going, but the options, expirations, fucking, it really gets me. So I stayed away from that, and I got away from options and went to futures, and I haven't looked back since. Futures is a lot easier. As long as you control your size, you'll be okay. Obviously, after you learn, but the hardest part is not sizing up too fast. And right now, I fucked up really bad. Really bad. We saw a great opportunity. We got in. We're up almost $300 on this fucking move. I didn't get out. And then we got some news of rockets being fired by Iran, and it just fucking tumbled on me. I should have gotten out, but I kept seeing these spots where they were going to bounce, and it just never followed through, so I did kind of dig myself here a little bit. Risk management is important, yep. I fucked up right now. We were up over 1,000, and now I am down. Mommy? Mommy? What happened to me saying daddy? My words changed, huh? I'm gonna get it back, don't worry. Mommy? Mom? Mommy? I do my best on Discord. I do have a full career job. I try to talk when I'm not working. But if you have any questions in Discord, I will answer. You can always just check it out. If you don't like it, you can leave. Let's go. Like if people are on, I'll talk. At least chat while I'm at work. But some people don't like to chat too much. Here we go. It's the only fair value gap that I saw. Mommy? We really need to close above this cloud, and then we need to start ripping up a little bit. I feel like we're good at least till the 700s. I just don't want to size up too much, you know? It's looking good so far. Not joking, yeah. I like to joke a little bit too. Mommy? Money shot. I bet you're going to be calling me daddy again by the end of this trade. You're going to be like, Dad? Dad? Daddy? But if you have a little bit of background, that's cool. Yeah, I mean, there's like 11 hours of videos to go through just to get the basics, and then I can start filling in pretty good after that. Fortunately, you got to put the time in, you know? And then you can fill it in. Hashtag fill in. Daddy. Mom? Mom? Uh-oh. It needs to hold this or it's going to come continue down. Man, I'm very upset with myself. Hopefully Trump comes in and says V-shaped recovery. The problem that I see here is kind of scary. Is this like a reverse cup and handle? That ain't good. That ain't good at all. It's actually kind of scary. You got one here. And usually it goes like this. Falls down. Not cool. If that plays in, I'm fucked. Alright, second short. Let's see what happens. So if you guys took these short signals, great. Good job. Good fucking job. Definitely, bro. I got you. So my work schedule rotates though. So some weeks I'll be on 4 days in a row. Unfortunately, next week I'll probably only be on Friday. I might try to hop on Power Hour a few days, and then eventually it'll rotate out to where I'm on 4 or 5 days a week, and then it rotates back out. Come on, baby. You know what sucks? Is that this was my original. More. This is my original spot. It was down here. When I got off to go bike riding. And we hit that spot like it was nothing, right? And then this was my original spot. All it was doing was taking its fucking time. It's alright. It happens. What if I put hashtag lose money? Alright, this is the second time it's not collapsing. The problem is I don't see a fair value gap other than this. But it didn't hold. So I don't like it. I'm not liking any of it. We need the banger. Hashtag banger. I'm kind of liking this though. We have it did not make a lower low here. If we can break this high, this is an indication that we might start traveling to the north side. To the north! To the north. As long as we can get past this, I think we're going to be okay. 655s. Remember what I said. These markets love to do V-shaped recoveries. I would even doubt if we finished a new high today. That's how crazy these markets been. I am nervous of this reverse though. Look right to the fucking 78. Fell down like we said. The problem is that I didn't listen. Okay, it's alright. I'm coming back there. Good. Break above. Where's the 5 minute? So we'll still have to get up way past this, unfortunately. 712s. I don't know if it's got that juice right now. On the 5 minute, if it breaks above this, we're going to be Gucci for a while, but I don't know if it's going to have the juice to go past these 712 highs here for this cloud. But let's start off smaller. It needs to go above this for 670s. 670. Let's see. Let's look at the other. Oh my god. Jerusalem. Multiple explosions. Could just be liquidity sweep because no, it's terrible, but the US strives off of war. Passing the 1 minute 200 right now. If it can break above it, we're going to be good. I brought this across because this was a huge resistance line before, earlier on. And you can see that it's struggling at it again. It's got 4 minutes left, unfortunately, to close above this. Do. Unfortunately, I can't say my job out loud. Safety. They'd be mad at me. I'm trying to quit working, really. My body is falling apart. Bro, all our bodies are falling apart. Nah, I feel you, but one recommendation that I always say, don't expect to quit your job to work this. You're gonna kill yourself with stress. Most of those big time people that are making money, they're making money off the social media, all the other shit. I mean, you can make 100 grand if you're good. You can make way more. Don't get me wrong. I just it takes a while. It takes a long time, dude. It takes a long time. I would like to say that I'm pretty damn good, and look what just happened to me. I mean, I can handle this pullback, but still, I don't want to be in this. I don't want it. I don't want it! This is rejecting it, bruh. Yeah, I don't know. Full time's lot. A lot of stress. Hashtag stress. I don't like how it fucking rejected off of that, guys. We're gonna get it back. We need oh my god. There's so much news coming out. Nuclear facility in Israel has been hit by an Iranian strike. Oh yeah, even living normal, bro. Try it out first. Not for everybody. Hopefully you do good. Man, this is torture right now. What you want to do, bro? Go up or go down? Libs. Yes, I know. I gave back all my fucking profit. No. The opposite. There is so much news on war right now. I got in because it looked perfect. I was up almost $200 in this trade, and then it just dropped on me. No, you're good. I keep it real. So it is what it is. I fucked up. I didn't see this news coming out. I probably should have just cut my loss when it was like $200. But we're gonna get it back. I have a feeling right now we're gonna get it back. Let's see. More news is coming out. Israel has been hit by an Iranian strike at the nuclear facility. U.S. forces are participating in defeating the Iranian attack on Israel. Israel officials cited by... Wow. So we're going. That's it. This war can be over in days. Or they can drag it out. What do you guys think? $25 green again. Wow. A third wave of missiles is being launched by Iran towards Israel. These missiles are believed to be Fatah hypersonic missiles. Fuck, I want to be in the right side of this. We could have made a fucking killing, man, if I didn't do this. These short signals fucking paid. See how it's getting confused? Like this, even on the 1 minute saying, hey, I think we're going to go up. How do we fund war? Personal, this has been going on for 100. Yeah, I know. 683. Yeah, I know. Needs to blast through that. I know it's been going for hundreds of years, but the timing along with what's going on with the president, because the president said that there won't be any wars. You know, he's not a war guy, but guess what? Now his hands are tied now. I have a feeling he's not to be played with, though. He's probably going to go 100. The only problem is, like, what is Russia gonna do? Russia. Mother Russia. That was a fucking ball drain. Come on. Yeah, that's true. This is true. I'm not gonna read your comment out loud, but I agree, Libs. Only because of the algorithm. There you go. Come on, baby. Show me the money. $643. You're saying sell orders? What's POC? I'm sorry. Some of those lingos I get mixed up. Point of control. This is the balance based off of all the orders for longs and shorts. 643. That being there actually makes me feel better. This wants to rip up. You can tell it wants to rip up, but there is so many sell orders keeping it down. Yeah, that's true too, Money Shop. But if it breaks it, so you have it's a two-edged sword because, you know, that's a great spot to hold the line, but if the line breaks, then it's gonna fall. So it's a good indication of a bounce, and it's also indication if it doesn't hold, it's gonna crack. So double edge, double edge. Let me look at the 5. I mean, I can just end this right now and just put the magic magnet. You see the selection of all yellow on the top means it can be a big sell order there. You talking about towards the 21,700s or? Gotcha. I've always made that more as a gap fill. Does that make sense? Because it doesn't look like there's a lot of orders there. Those little ones will get squeezed right out. Oh, there might want to push up. Yeah. Same concept, I guess I just said. Yes, also means that it can push right by. I use this for signs for big runs. Yep, exactly. Short squeeze it right out. Iran state TV confirms a third wave of missiles launched towards Israel, so it's coming in. You know Trump can absolutely reverse this, right? He can come out right now and say, I'm going to have this war over in three days. And then this will probably rip up. So your thing is going to push by the 700s? Yeah, I know. I'm not worried about them. I'm actually more worried about, because isn't Russia like their allies? Does it force them to have to interact, you know? I do. You see my blue line? Yep, I see it. And what does that mean to you? I just need this to fucking close above this, and I'm gonna be okay. I know exactly what the fuck's going on. What's the blue line mean to you, though? Got 30 seconds left. The blue line is a large support for opening and close from the past. Gotcha. That's kind of what I have here. But mine's at 753. It's a huge resistance, support and resistance line. PC, we were doing fucking amazing on TikTok, and then I fucked up. The war news fucked me up. It's an order block where it goes sideways or touch and run. Gotcha. We were up a lot today, and I gave it back. We were up almost 2 G's. Real money, too. Real money. I think we are good, though, to hit this area. I'm trying to see where this is. I have a lot going on here because it's so congested that I don't know. $21,757. Yeah, same for you. Yeah, I fucking got stuck in this war news, man. We were killing it today. Right here. This is what my setup was. Right here. Close above. Boom. I was up like $200. I'm like, I might take it out. But you know what? It looks like it wants to go to the 78s. And then news. I'm like, okay, what the hell's going on? I didn't see it. Oh, looks like it wants to bounce. Psych. Alright, this is an area of definitely bouncing. Psych. Idiot. I'm an idiot. Held it way too long. I hope so. But I don't. The problem is, like, you know, they can wait until after for. Let's go. All right, let's see. Blah, blah, blah. I think have a stop loss so at least you don't lose money from the whole day. I know. I'm an asshole. I'm an asshole. Of course. I fucked up. I fucked up. It looks like we're gonna cover though. Yeah, I know. You know. I just want this cash money, bro. Cash money. Let's look at the 5. This is where we need to get above though. 699s. Rip through. Let's get rid of this. We need to rip through VWAP through here. If this fucking closes above here, we are golden. But it looks like it's rejecting a little bit. It's going to bounce back and forth. Let's see. This was too big of a sell-off. I mean, in theory, this is supposed to come back up here to 21,862s. But I don't know if we have enough time for that. I will be victorious. It happened, bro. I know. Such an idiot, though. I was up a lot of money. I'm still confident. I'm still pretty confident, though. Just need to get above this 707s. Close above there. I'm going to feel really fucking excited. Hashtag excited. I see you, Libs. Gotta let it bounce, bro. Gotta let it breathe. Sprouticus, hello on YouTube. This is very slow, but it is what it is. We gotta wait. Too much noise on the one right now. Let's see if any more news came out. Israel Defense Minister, Iran has crossed red lines by targeting civilian areas. Israel Prime Minister, we have taken out a large portion of Iran's ballistic missiles arsenal. Alright, so they're almost done. The public are permitted to leave sheltered spaces. So it's done? It's over? Sprouticus on YouTube. We were doing excellent today. I kind of messed up. The war news came out. And I didn't take the hint. I have a large count to hold through this, but I don't like doing this usually. I don't like this either. Yeah, you get what I'm saying, Libs. Over for right now. Six, 7, 3. Yeah, Brooklyn. I messed up, bro. I messed up. All that war news messed me up. I'm usually pretty good with this. I don't even really get past like $200 of loss. I'm gonna get back. If we can start getting some motion here, I think I'll be okay. Yeah, but I should be smarter than to fucking get caught up in this shit. I just didn't see the fucking news. Even if I didn't, I should have still closed it. I still should have closed it. How the fuck did I get in? I should have closed it down here, but I thought maybe it was going to rip up. You see how it made a new low here? Like it broke this? And then this candle here showed wild potential to go up. This is what threw me off. Because that was a 25-point move, 30-point move. So I'm like, oh, we're fucking good. It just wanted to collect a little more. But I should have sold here. I should have sold here. Took my loss. Yeah, I haven't had a losing day in quite a long time, so I guess it was due. But let's get this shit back up. Come on. I mean, this 5-minute candle flag pullback right into this zone. If we can hold and not break this, we might come back up right away. We shall see. Concentration music engaged. This is Jason Voorhees' fault. Friday the 13th. For prop firms, we can't hold over the weekends, unfortunately. You don't think I'll go back above orb low? Let's see. I didn't even look at the orb yet. As long as you accept that, you know, weird shit happens, you'll be okay. If you deny it, that's when it happens. All right. 663. So you're saying it has potential to probably go to 663, and I kind of agree that, but it did go above it, but it didn't hold. Sproudicus, thank you. I mean, if it happens, it happens. Yeah, I have some cash accounts too, but I haven't been fucked with any of them. I mostly took some of them out and put them into crypto. This is probably the line in the sand here. This is take profit trader. Let's see. More bad news during the weekend can create a sell, so I want to gamble 150, 300 on micro sell. Yeah, don't know. I don't know what the outcome is. You know, we're at the 61% pullback. Yeah, I have a Discord, Spartacus. It's still newer, but we are getting better and bigger. Let's see. Invite people. Copy. Paste. Yeah, I got until 5, but I have my top step X that I want to get above. Yeah, I'm thinking that was the pullback into the zone. I mean, if I were to add one, this would be the spot.
Order filled.
One more, that's it. If it can't hold, then it can't
Order
hold.
filled.
There's just so many resistance spots here that it needs to get through. This whole thing's a fucking, this whole thing. And then it has to get through that and this. It really needs to break the fuck up out of this. Way past the 1.6. If it wants to continue down, then it's going to drop to 21.5. We just don't know. Don't know! If it breaks that low, we're going to have to say I'm wrong. .602s. Gee, that's another issue there too. 600s are right there. It might want to sweep it. And that's my problem I'm having right now is that I keep saying, oh, if it sweeps the lows, it might come back up. But it hasn't been the fucking case, so I need to be careful. I mean, we clearly fucking swapped this low. That was the big one. It should continue up. $680s can be 2-2.
Smart enough to beat the market? Then you're smart enough to know that even Renaissance Technologies, the world's most successful hedge fund, relies on algorithms, not human traders. While retail traders spend countless hours.
The fuck up. See, I don't like this. Four-hour denied. 5's looking good. 1 minute starting to break above. If this can close above this in about 30 seconds, we could start to get some momentum. You know, I know that there's like a lot of crazy airstrikes, but nothing crazy news-wise followed it, right? Other than shots fired. Here we go. Gotta get through this. Holmes, you wild, bro. Yeah, I wish I got it down here. I probably would have gotten around here. Need to close above this. I mean, we really need to close above this, but good, good, good. It's because of my magic magnet. Zzz. Right into the goal, baby. Got resistance here. Might want to pull back again, but we need the breakthrough. Yeah, if it breaks through this, it's probably going to start ripping. Fucking flagged on TikTok again? The fuck? My spike is up, normally means long. MACD is going up. Going with my trend line up and all. POC is trying to move up the current level 2. Sweet. I like to hear that. And bring me hope. It's alright. It's okay. I know I'll get it back. Pulling back. Right at the 61s now. It's okay. Who, that guy? Oh, the one that you sent me? Do a competition against him? I guess I could. I don't know if he wants that smoke. It's my views. It's because I'm flagged and I don't know why. I had about 200 people, 100 to 200 people watching me all the time, and then I was getting reported constantly, and then it's never recovered. Like, I was making a shitload of money. Anything you could fucking name, bro. They even reported me saying I was doing like some child shit. I'm like, what the fuck? Then it says I'm a scammer, I'm fucking this and that. But mad, there must have been a shitload of people And there was people coming in too, and they're telling me that I'm wrong, and I'm like, all right, bro, watch. And then they would report me. I was getting fucking hammered, and then I haven't recovered for the views. But I'm not stressing about it anymore. I'm just trying to make my money and then go from there. Just trying to worry about my money, and then this week, honestly, I had like 20 people in there at one time. Yeah, it was fucking toxic, and I started to make my trades kind of sour. So I kind of stopped worrying a little bit. Yeah, that's exactly what it was. So if I feel like I just trade, and I was just joking around the other day, like I said, if you build it, they'll come. But that's kind of the theory I'm just gonna go with. I mean, I'm gonna try to fix it, and doing these hashtags in there has been making more people come in. But it's been taking a little bit longer than I would like, because I was getting almost 100 new followers a day too. Almost 100 new a day. I was killing it. This is going really bad against me. There's the new low, right? So let's see. I can switch over and like your post and number when I'm not doing anything. No, it's all good, bro. Like, I don't care as long as you guys are in here, over there. It doesn't bother me at all. The Discord, I expected to take a lot longer, you know, because it takes a while for people to join, things like that. But on TikTok, you know, you have the random swipers. I'm not even getting those, dude. I'm not getting anything. Oh, there you are. Oh, don't even I wouldn't even go crazy because they already just flagged me. I can't even. It said that my you can't find me in live stream. I have to restart it. That's how crazy it is. I didn't even do anything wrong. I haven't done anything wrong. I'm already flagged, so. New person just joined NQ. Futures trading. Yeah, it's all good. It's almost the end of the day, so. But we have been getting more viewers this week compared to the rest, because I was only getting about 3 people, if that. So from 3 to 20, I'm okay with. We're growing a little bit. I mean, today doesn't fucking help my situation either. And then I expected YouTube and Twitch to be slower, but the way TikTok works is the algorithm it's really good for live viewers because it'll swipe you through an accident. Yeah. We're gonna get this right fucking now. Watch this insane move. I feel it. I feel it. Blast off. Pizza. Everybody loves pizza. I'm gonna trick it. You don't want to go down here, bro. It's scary. Some motherfucking wine, too? Go for some wine right now. Some wine and pizza. Hashtag long. Yeah, I've been doing that all day. But it says that I'm banned. So it ain't gonna put nobody else in here unless I close it. I don't know if you guys want me to fucking close it and reopen it right now with 9 minutes left. Some French fries. Cheeseburger sounds amazing. I mean, this broke the low, man. The problem is I don't see any fair value gaps. I do see it here. This is the only one after. So this breaking it. Let's get rid of these. It's not closing above it. Well, it kind of fucking did. But it didn't make the low yet. Yeah, the last 5 minutes is going to be probably insane. And I hope it's to the fucking upside. Because we lost momentum, right? Like, it's not going lower. So hopefully it's a shot up. If not, we'll take our loss for today. We'll make it back next week. Not a problem. But, you know, we had some really good momentum today. And the entire market is completely all over the place. I'm looking at the different shit. Let's see what the tilt says. Oh yeah, everybody's fucking all over the place. There goes my crazy win streak. I mean, it'll probably only bring it down like 3%, but... I can't believe this hasn't gone up at all.
Have you been told only Wall Street pros can generate serious returns trading? Well, I used to think that too, until I built an automated trading system that just did all the work for me. Look, one of my clients in the last 30...
They're still talking shit to each other. Yeah, it's probably more clear, right? Discord? no lag. Yeah, I kind of agree with Iran too. It says we were in a diplomatic process on nuclear talks with the U.S. and Israel attacked, derailed the path. They could have probably presented this a little bit less and gave them a little bit better. I feel like they kind of just wanted the war. You know, they've been in war for fucking 1,000 years. They just don't like each other. That's all it is. They're all just giving each other a reason. Yeah, it's a good win percentage, but this one kind of hurt. This move hurt me a little bit. I mean, I lost some drawdown on this, but that's okay. We only down, well, it's moving now, but 300. $56 minutes. When is Top Step close? Like 408, 1608? Or is it 1610? Move the fuck up. It's insane. The just dead market. You're gonna have a fucking massive sell-off and not even a fucking dead cat bounce, nothing. That means there's probably a lot of people trapped in this and they don't want it to come back up. Let's look at the 1 minute here. We clearly went above. As long as it doesn't go below here, this is a clear sign to go up. Problem is that it never fucking, yeah, it did. We have many indications of this going up. It's just not, it's not following through. Move, baby, move. Yeah, I'm live on TikTok. You can't find me? Yep, that's because I'm banned. I get banned all the time on there, bro. For no reason. I got banned this morning because I didn't want to say the word because I know how sensitive. I spelled out... Here, I'll just type it in here. I spelled this out during my story time. I didn't even say the word. And they banned me on that one. I don't know. Yeah, I curse a lot too. That's a big problem. but it's part of my personality. But I hear people curse all the time, so I'm back in the fucking positive here, guys. Yeah, I am down. I'm down. I got caught in that news. I got caught in that news. Let's see, there's nothing else, right? Like economically? Nothing. Okay. That's fine. And then we have Iran officially tells as far as news, Tehran will immediately target Israel's economic and energy infrastructure if Iran own is hit. I'm hoping this is fucking short squeezes right the fuck up. How amazing would that be? Yeah, I have all that stuff on. It does not care. They don't like me.
Real talk, you guys. $3 medium Dunkin' refresh.
My next step is to hire somebody that can take care of it. I don't know what else to do. Because you see the other traders. I mean, today I kind of did shit at the end, but some of them are gambling, but the ones that aren't, I'm making more money than them. And sometimes I'm also taking trades that they're not taking against their flow, and they're wrong and I'm right. And I'm still just not getting the traction like I was in the beginning. I mean, you were there for Timber Songs. You saw how many people used to come in. Hell yeah, good job, bro. That's excellent. Excellent, man. Excellent. This is good right here. If we can close right here and we get the volume. Hopefully there's still some volume after this. We should be good to continue up. Does anybody know what time Top Step closes? I want to make sure I'm out. Your lives are chill, don't trade the same, but I like your vibes. Thank you. 410? Okay. Word. I'm like $10 away from making that positive. I think it closes like literally at 4:16:10. It'll just force it out. But I don't, sometimes they'll I think they're good, but some other firms will fucking charge you money. You know what sucks too is that I would have nice payout on Top Step X today if I would have kept all that money. Oh, it will cancel you? Oh, that happened to you, right, Libs? You're fucking right. I remember you were pissed. I would have been pissed too, and it wasn't even your fault, right? It was stuck or some shit. And then manage to email me.
It's Iron Beam, your go-to place for futures trading. Whoa! Yeah, just hold on. You're about to be swept off your feet.
You should start this daily routine, 100 push-ups a day. I never worked out, so I'll be doing like 5 different sets.
Trade margins, hundreds of indicators, and
24-hour live support.
hope you
What do you
didn't
mean, you
miss that
start working out?
trading feature over there.
Oh, you got me.
Nice. I've been blessed with able to afford to buy a full gym for my basement.
Point with painting
Well,
in general.
finished basement, so.
So one thing you do while you're painting on the streets is you gotta be fast. That was always in my DNA.
I do all right in life. Yeah, I got everything. I got power rack. My latest machine. It's really fucking cool. It's called a Gym Monster 2, I believe. It cost me like over $3,000. It's basically magnetic weights, but it's an entire computer system that controls your weight, so it's AI based. It's fucking fantastic. I usually do free weights, but that's been pretty cool to change it up with. Have you seen those prop firm ads that are like, I'll get you a payout and you get to keep 80 of it? I don't know. This is dying, bro. Dying. It's gotta bounce now. With no risk attached, just pay the eval and activate fee. Oh, I know. Oh, you're talking about the straight to funded ones. They make a killing, bro, because they're more expensive and most people fail. Most people fail. So they expect you to fail. So you're basically like, oh, straight to funded. Straight to funded, and it costs a lot more, so it really needs to rip up really quick to get me the fuck out profitable in Top Step X. Got 408. Got 2 minutes. I'm just paying attention to this. I'm sorry. I'm start my own firm and try not to rug myself. It's probably a shitload of work to start your own. Anybody that's done that, I give them credit. Alright, we got 50 seconds left. I need this to pop up really soon. It's almost there. Fucking $50 away from being profitable. $30 seconds, you fucker. $20 seconds. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3. I'm closing.
Order filled.
All right, $86 down on that account. Fucker, I was up almost 1,000 on it. Let's look at my my trade win percent went down to 95. I'm gonna start my own. Have you looked at alpha futures? No, I like to stick to the ones that are kind of been known a bit. Cause I'm nervous, cause I've been around the other ones where they all failed and took jump ship and took your money and ran away. Damn, they couldn't give me like one more minute and we would have been profitable today. Fuck, I fucked myself today. I was up so much fucking money on my top setbacks. Oh, do they? If they start getting bigger, I will check it out. Some of them, I don't know. The less rules they have, the better I fucking like. Like, just give me one, like, take Profit Trader. I'm cool with the drawdown. I'm okay with it. And it has no fucking rules except for huge news. But they already tell you, hey, you can't trade 1 minute before and 1 minute after. And you shouldn't be trading anyway, so... Damn, this would have been a fucking green trade. I bet you it's 412. You motherfucker. They still didn't say market's closed. Makes you want to buy one right now. Alpha has 4K drawdown on 100K with 6K pass. Pretty good. Actually, that's really good. And 50% max profit in 1 day and no news rule on evals. How much is it?
Smart enough to beat the market? Then you're smart enough to know that even Renaissance Technologies, the world's most successful hedge fund, relies on algorithms, not human traders. While
Maverick on YouTube. I made $200 in a combine. Guess it was worth waking up today. Hell yeah, good job, bro. That's what's up. Well, today is my first loser in 11 days. Oh, we're praying. We're praying, Powers. We don't know. This could be just a dead market now. Too much news came out. Yeah. I know, I agree. Kind of funny. Yeah, news fucked me up. I'm gonna be fucking profitable. Watch. If we can go above this, we're gonna be really good. But we have to get above it. You said like $110 with 30% discount. These evals are for more experience because of all the expensive. Yeah. and 150 activation fee. So right now, take Profit Trader. You can get a 50K account for like $110. That's with activation too, but you have to be experienced for it because it costs a lot of money up front. No, it's soon as you get over your buffer 2000, soon as you get over your buffer, you can take out whatever you want every single day. No, Apex you need 8 days trading, 5 winning days. Take Profit Trader, as long as you get over your $2,000 buffer, literally you could take up to $5,000 out a day, the same day. So say I made 5 G's today. If I was on a 50K account, then I could take out 3 that day. Oh yeah, they took that away. That was a long time ago though. Then they started adding the days and shit. So yeah, I guess in a way, yeah, you're right. But not the this is fucking torture. I mean, we could still end the day positive, but like, why would it want to keep going down? Jeez. You know what sucks too is that we made awesome calls today. Amazing calls today. One little mess up here, and I should have took it out. These were paying too. We were taking these today too. Very good. Guess you don't want your fucking pizza, wine, beer, fortune cookies, goal, you piece of shit. Scary mask, soccer ball. Look, this fucking picked out the bottom too. You fucker. You fucker. But this one didn't. This fucked me. Looked really good. But I should have noticed that this was kind of in the middle here, but I thought it was going to be a nice bounce to the upside. Ah. And then we had this right here. This pointed out the fucking bottom. Mr. Bastard, have a good one, bro. Yeah, I guess it was a good comeback. I just, I'm still giving back a lot of money. I mean, this is a double bottom. Break above here, sends it up. Now we just have to see what the hell is going to happen by the end of tonight. This week hasn't been that bad, to be honest. Monday, Tuesday was bad for me, but rest of the... I've had a fucking amazing 2 weeks. I was just an idiot today. Idiot. One to one right now. Yeah, I would say this is it. 1 to 1. We're at the 1 to 1 right now, and it's either blasts through or doesn't. It goes to the 1.6. I usually have a decent sideways movement. Like these yellow boxes, you can play the bounce plays. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. It's the non-follow through. Like even if it just doesn't, when it gets real whippy back and forth, you know, it gets hard to trade in one candle. So like if this doesn't hold, I won't like it. Libs, I'm gonna lose it for you now, okay? I'm still fucking down $900. Well, not down, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna make it 0 again. We're out.
Order filled.
We're out! I like dog and me time. Probably what I need to go do after this. Yeah, it's a Friday. You're right. Let's see if we can scalp a little.
Order filled.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks. Thanks, Money Shot. Sometimes I have my days. It happens, bruh. It's okay. Like I said, I'll make it back next week. My only thing is I can't fucking... I won't be... I will trade on Discord, but I can't stream next week until Friday. I'm going to try to get on maybe Power Hour. Or maybe I can get on at... I got to see. I got to see. Yeah, definitely. Ask me whenever. We can play Timber then. Let's go. I guess, right? Because I keep getting banned. Definitely. I'm just going to start doing the at everyone. I usually don't like to do that because I feel like I'm fucking bothering people, but whatever. You guys feel bothered when I put at everyone? I only want to do it with the live shit or if anything's like crazy. The only thing is who am I pinging? Oh, like a ping me roll. Gotcha. That's a good idea, actually. No, what sucks is I was up like 300 bucks here.
Order
Oh.
filled.
Bro, I had it right here. What a skipperoo. You know what? I've done minis before, but it can really take your shirt off if you're wrong. Like that entire ride right there would have destroyed my entire account. So I usually stick to micros. If it's like crazy hot, we can switch. But minis, well, I mean micros, you see, I do alright with money. But yeah, minis are, if you're fucking wrong, bro, you're wrong.
Order filled.
You don't get nervous with the minis? Like right now, if I did these minis, it would have been like $600 loss.
Introducing Iron Beam, a bright choice for futures trading. Iron Beam is an industry.
And I don't really want to fuck with my psychology either, because a lot of my accounts go into live, so I don't think my heart would like it. Gotcha. 1 minute, yeah, that's cool. You did 10 minis, only risking 400. Yeah, 1 point stop, you're right. But sometimes it's spreads. You're not scared of the spread and stuff.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, I gotcha. I sometimes trade like that. Dude, my free, if you like shit like that, I used to make a lot of money doing this. If I can get the fuck out of here. So I have a free indicator. So you see these, I used to do this all the time. So what? Oh, you like these? Olive? So these ones right here. So what I used to do was I would take the latest triangle, whatever is pointing down, and then I would take that low, and then as soon as it breaks, I would scalp it out. Again, scalped it out. This one still, you still would have won, but it would have been really close. But you put the stop above the high of that candle, and then you just keep waiting, and then it would have got out here. And then you keep doing that. So nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Boom. Winner. Winner. Still waiting. This one probably would have got shaky. No, I'm just saying if you that's your style. But yeah, I use this a lot. The problem is not just an indicator, it's with price action. All my indicators are with price action built in secretly. It's usually why my shit is pretty on point. You were saying your red and blue arrows are good. Red and blue arrows. What red and blue arrows? If you're talking about these are my entries, bro. That's just me being good, period. That's funny. You're like, wow, his things are so on point. No, that's me. That's my trade entries. That's funny. This is the 1 minute. Let's see, this is what you took this morning. You trade ranges? I'm looking at it now. It's kind of range based, and it looks like you play the price action off of it. 50% range with price action. I gotcha. So this indicator here. Let me go to a clear thing. This indicator gives you those ranges automatically too, but it has multiple ones. So if it can't hold it, you can see that it's probably going to go to the next one. This one took me a long time to fucking code. I couldn't figure this one for a long, long time. But same concept. No. This is just pain and misery over 12 years of trading. And then sometimes I can't figure it out, and I'll have to ask like fucking people or ChatGPT's been pretty good to help fill in the blanks. So ChatGPT can help you, but you need to know what to ask it. Oh wow, has it really been that long? I would say probably like, yeah, I guess so. Shit. I'm 36. Oh, you youngin'. Gotcha. Yeah, a lot of years of pain and misery of learning. And then you can see, even after all those trading years, I still struggle sometimes.
Or a no for 75. If you're right, you get.
See how this reacts. I've been kind of trading these bounces.
Order filled.
You too, bro. Have a good one. It was a good week. I'm gonna try to hop on some rando days, but if not, I will be on Friday. In VC, Vancouver? What's VC mean? No, the call. Gotcha. Alright, dude. Later.
Order filled.
I just want to hit here. It's umming up. Could be. On my way. Still feel like this wants to push back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Order filled.
Man, what the fuck? Down, down, down. Okay, so I might want to come up. There we go. A little bit of cancellation there. If we can get below this, I would feel really good.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. filled.
Might have wanted the bigger one. Hmm.
Order filled.
Right now might be one of the best times to learn how to trade, because when the market pulls back, smart traders know that's
Order filled.
Six, 8. Should be good.
Order filled.
Rip up.
Order filled.
Boom.
Order filled. Order filled. filled. Order filled.
Resistance here. 659 should launch it up.
Order filled.
Six 663, definitely good for that. So
Are you ready for retirement? Our free retirement planner shows you where you
come on. This is the bigger pull down. Is it gonna go here? There we go. I'm not fucking crazy.
Order filled.
You guys are still on TikTok. I don't know if you are, but I'll be on next week. Have a good weekend. I'll get this money. Don't worry. I'm just cutting it off now, though. Nobody's in here. It's dead. Wow, is this really just gonna sit still like this? Just give me one pop-up. While I'm waiting here, I'll be on next Friday, unfortunately, but in between, I'll try to hop in. If not, I will give you guys a shout out if I'm gonna get on randomly. If you guys aren't following me, give me a follow, and you can join my free Discord if you guys want to. We were up pretty good today, and I fucked it up. It happens. I mean, I've had 10 winning days in a row. I guess I was due for one loser. We're gonna see if we can monster this back up.
It is so much better than his previous bike.
It's a lighter weight bike. It has a
filled.
We're gonna end it because it's getting close. I don't want to have order stuck in. It could have came back, but could have came back. I'm just nervous because at 58 they fucking close and they sometimes penalize you for it. Alright, I'm out, guys. Have a good weekend. Happy Father's Day if you guys are any fathers. Adios.